On average, how many clicks should I expect before getting a sale from Amazon ads? Technically, it should be a lower amount, a medium, and a high amount when it comes down to how quickly could you convert right away. And this is specifically for ads that are static ads, so not for video ads, right? Why is this important? Is because when it comes down to video ads, they have a different behavior. So allow me to first answer what should you be expecting when it comes down to getting clicks. So how many clicks? Say you have 10 clicks and then got a sale. That means you have a 10% conversion rate, meaning that 10 times someone clicked on that one keyword until they purchased the product. This is, of course, if you targeted an exact match, meaning if someone was looking for purified water, your product came up, they clicked on it, and then everyone, the 9% that came afterwards, did the same thing, and then the 10% actually eventually bought the product. So that is a 10% conversion rate. Now, this is an exact match, and I'm simplifying it because in different match types, it's going to be totally different. So why is this important? It's because now you understand if I have 10% conversion rate, everyone who's going to click on the same keyword and then eventually purchase my product, then you can say, okay, so that is great. Now it can be above and it can be below that as well. Say if you have more discovery type of campaign, which is, let's say, auto or broad or even phrase matches. In those scenarios, clicks are going to be way higher. So people are going to click way more often until they're going to purchase eventually the product. And here it doesn't have to do so much about the relevancy of did they click on the same thing? Yes, they did, but they searched with different keywords. So for example, someone might have searched with purified water. Someone else might have searched the brand Pure Aqua. Someone else had searched maybe reverse osmosis. So 3 different keywords. So technically you did got 3 clicks, but these are all 3 in different, categories considered because they are not exact matches to whatever you would have sold. So anything that is below 10%, as I was saying, lots of clicks, and it is above 10%, that is even better conversion rate. But generally, 10% conversion rate could become a good rule of thumbs.